In this tutorial, we'll guide you through replacing an asset tag in Survey123 when multiple RFID tags are detected. Let's get started. First, open the Survey123 app and navigate to your survey list. Select a survey to begin. Go to the inbox and open the map. The map displays all assets. Locate and select the asset you need to update. After selecting the asset, the associated form will appear. Scroll down to the right Info for RFID section and tap Start. Ensure your TSL RFID reader is connected via Bluetooth, then press OK. Point the reader at the tag you want to use as the replacement and pull the trigger. If multiple tags are detected, the system won't know which tag to write to. You have a few options. Move other nearby tags away and try again. Lower the read power to reduce detected tags. Abort the operation if necessary. Let's adjust the read power. Select Adjust Power, reduce the read power, and exit the menu. Now, aim at the replacement tag and pull the trigger again. Once only one tag is detected, the right operation will be successful. Scroll up to the InfraMarker RFID field and verify that it matches the right info for RFID section. If everything checks out, tap the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner. Then press Send Now to upload your data and complete the task. And that's it. You've successfully replaced an asset tag in Survey123 when multiple RFID tags were detected.